Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Karbon Rectangular Desk with Single Fixed Pedestal. Assembly Guide. Included in the boxes are desktop panel, modesty panel, 2 leg frames, 3 desk cam pins, 7 cams, 7 stick-on cam covers, 4 adjustable feet, 4 leg cam pins, 4 58mm screws, 1 Allen key and 2 cable ports. If you have ordered the 2-drawer fixed pedestal, you will also get 4 40mm handle screws, 2 drawer handles, 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, 2 keys, 1 Allen key and 2 filing rods. If you have ordered the 3-drawer fixed pedestal, you will get 6 40mm handle screws, 3 drawer handles, 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, 2 keys and 1 Allen key. You'll also need a Phillips crosshead screwdriver. To start, take the desktop panel and lay it on the floor with the holes facing upwards. Insert the desk cam pins into the holes at the rear of the desktop like this, using your Phillips crosshead screwdriver. Please note that the 800, 1000 and 1200mm versions only require 2 desk cam pins, whereas the 1400, 1600 and 1800mm versions will require 3. Lay the modesty panel on the floor with the holes facing upwards. Insert cams into the 7 holes around the edge of the modesty panel like this. Make sure the arrow on the cam points towards the outer edge of the panel. Please note that the 800, 1000 and 1200mm versions only require 6 cams, whereas the 1400, 1600 and 1800mm versions will require 7. Next, align the modesty panel with the cam pins and insert them into the holes at the rear of the desktop as shown, and tighten the cams until they are locked into position. It's important that you do not over-tighten the cams. Take the legs and screw the adjustable feet into the holes on the underside of each leg. Then, insert the leg cam pins into the holes in the 2 leg frames. Next, align the cam pins in the legs and insert into the holes in the modesty panel. Now secure by tightening the cams with your screwdriver. Again, remember not to over-tighten the cams. Secure the legs to the underside of the desktop using the 4 58mm screws. We recommend you use the Allen key provided. Do not use an electric screwdriver as this can strip the threads. Make sure all of the screws are secure but not over-tightened. Then place the stick-on cam covers over the visible cams for a clean finish. Now attach the fixed pedestal. Safely remove all of the drawers from the 3-drawer pedestal. The filing drawer on the 2-drawer pedestal should not be removed. Unscrew the handles from the inner side of the drawers and attach the handles to the front of each drawer using the 40mm handle screws. The pedestal can be attached to either side of the desk. Align the pedestal with the pre-drilled pilot holes in the underside of the desktop, and using the Allen key, secure with the 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, taking care not to over-tighten the screws. With the help of another person, carefully stand the desk upright. Now insert the pedestal box drawers. Before inserting the top drawer into position, turn the key to the drawer lock fully to the right. If you have fitted a 2-drawer pedestal, open the filing drawer and place the filing rods in the desired position. The filing rods can be placed to accommodate both A4 and foolscap-sized files. Push the cable ports into the cutouts in the desktop. Please note that the 800mm version only has one cable port. And there you have it. Your new Karbon Rectangular Desk is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.